Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel, that is Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today's topic is very interesting because this particular video is based on the Ayurvedic surgical aspect. Try to understand surgical aspect because many people even don't know that the present Ayurveda course, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BAMS. So what is that BAMS? Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. So our BMS students or even MS in surgery, the surgery is Shalya Tantra word in Ayurveda. Shalya Tantra subject is there, and there we teach the students Ayurvedic concepts as well as the modern surgery. And some limited surgeries are allowed by the government to perform by the even Ayurvedic postgraduate completed students. So surgery is existing in Ayurveda, don't forget that. When we talk about Ayurveda and when we say Ashtanga Ayurveda, so in Ayurveda, there are also specialties and super specialties. For example, myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. So we have the subject Kaya Chikitsa, and I have completed my post graduation in internal medicine, Ayurvedic internal medicine, as well as I have completed my post graduation in Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Shari. Similarly, Shalya Tantra is one of the subject. For example, if you talk about Ashtanga Ayurveda, Kaya, Bal, Grah, Urdhvang, Shalya, Danshtra, Jara, Vrushan. So these are the 8 super specialties of Ayurveda. Kaya Chikitsa, that is my subject. Kaya, Bala, Graha, Urdhvanga, Shalya Tantra. Shalya Tantra is a super specialty of Ayurveda, and in that Shalya Tantra subject, which is of 4th year BMS, many Ayurvedic surgeons, I am saying Ayurvedic surgeons, they perform this type of Kshara Sutra treatment for anorectal problem. For anorectal problem. And these are very common. For example, piles is common, anal fissure is common, anal fistula in ano is common. So this is a surgery without knife. Surgery without knife. Remember these words. Kshara Sutra, another name for Kshara Sutra, surgery without cutting knife. There is no fistulectomy. So operations can be avoided. Remember my words. So those who are suffering from piles, fistula, fissure, they can definitely contact Ayurveda Academy. Myself, we have the Ayurveda Academy with different expert doctors in different fields and also the different teachers in specialized different fields. So let us start with this is anorectal anatomy. You can see that there is a perianal skin, submucosa layer, then dentate, pectinate line is very important. Pectinate line, don't forget this anatomy. External sphincter muscle and internal anal sphincter muscle. This is levator ani muscle and this is rectal mucosa and this is columns of Morgagni. These names regarding the anorectal anatomy, the students must remember, especially pectinate line decides whether the fistula is high level fistula or low level fistula. This is very important. What is fistula? In Ayurveda, the word is bhagandar. By the by, let me tell you that the originator of Ayurvedic Shalya Tantra is Sushruta Maharshi. Sushruta Rushi. This is the name of a person. Sushruta. Okay. The Charaka is an internal medicine physician, expert. Charaka. Charakastu Chikitsite. Similarly, Sushrut is called as a father of surgery. And that is not only called by Ayurvedic people, but even the modern fraternity. If you see the textbook of modern surgery, there you will see the respectful reference of Sushruta as a father of surgery. So he has explained all this type of surgeries, including plastic surgery. So we are talking about fistula in ano. Another word in Ayurveda is bhagandar. What is bhagandar? Bhaga plus dharana. Bhaga means yoni, that is Bhava Mishra's explanation. But in this context, we are not talking about yoni or the female genital organs, we are talking about perianal region. And dharana means tear. Dharana means tear. Okay. So, three stages of fistula in ano. Number one, there is a formation of papule because of some what you can say the trauma or any infection. Then that papule grows. Growth is there, and suppuration, that is pus formation takes place. That what we call it as a abscess formation. First only papule, then pus, that is abscess, and last burst open of suppuration. That abscess gets burst. Okay, and because of that bursting of the abscess, if you don't treat with a proper ayurvedic or antibiotics, then that abscess bursts, and that is a very serious problem or dangerous problem, complicated problem. That is formation of fistula. When the abscess bursts by itself, the fistula is formed. Okay, what is fistula? This is the abnormal communication between two epithelia is called as a fistula. Latin explanation of the fistula word: hollow pipe. Hollow pipe. This hollow tract connects two things. One, outer inner cavity, and outer is body surface. So perianal region, there is one hole, and inside there is one hole, and in between that two holes there is a hollow space, that is like a pipe. Okay. So causes of fistula in ano: number one, it can be the complication of anorectal abscess. Number two, tuberculosis. Number two, tuberculosis. Number three, ulcerative colitis develop. That is another. Ulcerative colitis develops into regional proctitis. ITIS means inflammation. Remember this word, ITIS, inflammation. Cancer of the rectum or cancer of the anal canal: lymphogranuloma venereum. That is what we call as a venereal disease. Gupta Roga in Marathi, in Hindi, Gupta Roga. So that is lymphogranuloma venereum. There may be history of anorectal or gynec surgery, and that can be the complication, becomes the fistula in ano. Types of the fistula in ano: low level fistula in ano and high level fistula in ano. Low level anal, normal fistulectomy, okay, and also Ayurvedic Shara Sutra, okay. So both the treatments are possible when there is low level fistula in ano. But when there is a high level fistula in ano, modern fistulectomy has always a danger of complication. What can be the complication? Incontinence of feces. Of course, this is not common. By chance, this is accidental complication. You don't get, oh my God, so I should not go for surgery. Nothing like that. You can do the modern surgery, you can do the Ayurvedic Kshara Sutra treatment, but sometimes it high level fistula, because of the cutting of the sphincter, incontinence of stool or the feces is possible. What is incontinence? Without knowing, you pass the stools. That is called as incontinence. So in high level fistula, Ayurvedic Kshara Sutra is a better option. Remember this word. High level fistula, Ayurvedic Kshara Sutra is better option. Kshara Sutra is the treatment of choice in fistula in ano. It can be done in dry piles as well, but we are talking about fistula in ano bhagandar. Surgery without knife. This is the only Ayurvedic surgery which remains time tested and now even recommended by modern anorectal surgeon. They recommend, modern surgeons recommends for high level fistula to avoid the complication incontinence of feces. Examination of the patient before doing the Kshara Sutra: per rectal examination in left lateral position. Left lateral position, remember, and with of course putting the hand gloves. Inspection for the number of openings. Number, how much? 1, 2, 3. What is the position? Like a clock. What is the position? Character. What is the character of that particular opening? Discharge. Examine the discharge. Then you look for the scar for the previous surgery. And you can also do the palpation. After inspection, you have to do the palpate that particular opening. So this is the anorectal problems. This is anal fistula, anal polyp, internal hemorrhoid, then anal fissure over here, okay, then sentinel tag outside over here, external hemorrhoid, and this is anal fistula in ano. Okay, so these are the different anorectal problems that in our general medical practice the patient come with these problems. So tracts of the fistulae, it can be this one anterior, or this may be the posterior type of. These are the tracts, hollow pipe fistula. I am talking about fistula. In anterior side there is a straight tracts. Can you understand? In the posterior side they are always curved tracts. Don't forget this: anterior straight, posterior curved tracts. Okay. Now we are talking about Kshara Sutra. Sutra means thread. Kshara is like a chemical. So Kshara Sutra treatment is like chemical cauterization. Kshara is a substance which cuts the devitalized tissue and cleansing is there. Shodhana Chikitsa according to Ayurveda. Kshara is always alkali in nature. There are three types: Mruduk Kshara, Madhyama Kshara, and Tikshna Kshara. Mrudukshara, of course, mild, pH is 8.4. Madhyama Kshara, moderate, pH is 9.2. And Tikshna, strong Kshara, pH is 9.4. Kshara, mainly prepared from herbs, which contain sodium bicarbonate, potassium carbonate, calcium oxide, and magnesium oxide and silica. So, material for preparing Kshara Sutra, cotton thread, number 10. Binding agent, for example, Udumbara Kshira or gum acacia. Kshara, actual Kshara, turmeric, Haridra, antiseptic, and water. Apamarga, that particular plant is used for Kshara. pH values of different Kshara, you can see over here, it ranges from, say for example, 11 to 9.6. So the difference, Araka is there, Kutaja is there, Kadali is there. So you can look on this particular chart, you can take a snapshot and try to understand the pH values of different Kshara. So Kshara Sutra preparation, always sterile, always sterilization is most important, autoclave, most important, hand gloves, most important. So typical, what you can say, the material is also used, and typical, what you can say, the box is there. So making of Kshara Sutra, you have to hang all these threads over there and make it dry. Drying of Kshara Sutra is done in dryer or the oven. Kshara Sutra ready to use. Now ready-made, you can purchase also the online Kshara Sutra, of course the Kshara Sutra. Preparation, solution of Kshara, that is Apamarga or Arka, not both. Apamarga or Arka, 1 part. Turmeric, 3 parts. And Udumbara Kshira or powder of gum acacia, that also mixed. Add sufficient quantity of water. This solution should not be too thick nor too watery. Dip cotton thread in the solution, dry it in the cool place, repeat the procedure for 11 times. After preparation of Kshara Sutra, that is kept in formalin chamber. Patient examination. Pain of the patient can be graded from 0 to 3. 0, no pain. Pain during defecation, 1. Pain relieved by sitz bath, 2. And pain relieved by analgesics, 3 type of the pain, 3 grade pain. Okay. Burning sensation also can be graded 0, no burning sensation, 1, burning only after defecation, 2, intermittent burning, and 3, continuous burning. Pus discharge graded as 0 to 3, 0, no pus. 1, discharge only during defecation, 2, intermittent discharge, 3, pus discharge with soiling of the cloth. Patient examination. Perianal region examined for number of openings, location of openings, discharge, color of the perianal skin, condition of the sphincters on staining, scar of the previous surgery. By palpation, you have to confirm these findings of inspection. Check increased local temperature like this, tenderness, and feel of tract. PR examination or digital examination is done in left lateral position. This is always asked to the students, which is the position for palpation of internal opening, sphincter tone, and to palpate any other pathology like tumor or ulcer. Proctoscopy is also done. Fistulogram is also done. Other baseline investigations like hemogram, whether there is anemia, hemoglobin is normal or not, urine infection, stool, any worm infestation, blood sugar level, any diabetes, urea creatinine for kidney function, cholesterol, dyslipidemia, bleeding time, clotting time, very much important, and ECG to check the cardiac fitness. So drugs, Haridra, Curcuma longa, Arca, Calotropis procera, and Udumbar ficus racemosa, Latin names. Action of Kshara Sutra. Kshara has action of Vrana Shodhana. This is Vrana. Fistula is a Vrana. Lekhana, scrapping, cauterization, and also Ropana. So cleansing, scrapping, and healing. Kshara Sutra does not allow to track to close abruptly and allows pus to drain. It is systematic, slow, progressive cauterization. Fistulous tracts is cut by chemical cautery. UCT, unit cutting time of Arka plant is 1 centimeter in 8 days. That particular track, cleansing. Okay. UCT, unit cutting time of Apamarga is 1 centimeter in 7 days. So action of Apamarga is little bit faster. Action of Apamarga is little bit faster. Complications of Arka and Apamarga, although Arka is supposed to be stronger by its hot and cutting property, in practice, Apamarga Kshar can show better results due to Apamarga has good healing property and less burning. Apamarga, less burning. With Arka Kshar Sutra, sometimes unhealthy hypergranulation can be noted. Surgical instruments, can you see that proctoscope and sigmoidoscope, etc. Routine lab investigation, if history of recurrence, then colonoscopy and fistulogram must be done. Appropriate local anesthesia, spinal at L4, L5 level, lithotomy position, painting with spirit and povidone iodine and draping is done. Then injection betadine and hydrogen peroxide from external opening and observe the internal opening by putting seams speculum. Probing, probing is done with malleable probe of silver. That particular silver probe cost rupees 200 only, which is washed thoroughly after procedure and kept in formalin tablet chamber. Take precaution that not to create false passage while doing the probing. So skill is required, practice is required, experience is required. Probe is expected to come out from the internal opening in the rectum. Confirm by injecting betadine and hydrogen peroxide solution. Insert Kshar Sutra and tight knot is applied. Go for Lord's dilatation for painless defecation. Kshar Sutra procedure, rule out any other pathology by doing PR and proctoscopy. Insert Voveron or diclofenac suppository to avoid post-operative pain with Jatyadi Tailavarti as a lubricating agent. Jatyadi Tailavarti. Post-operative management, Kshar Sutra. Nothing by mouth, NBM for 4 hours. Soft and bland diet for a week. Antibiotics, injection Taxim 1 gram, intravenous BD, and analgesics for a week. I'm sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, then Saptamimshanti Gugul. This is very specific. Saptamimshanti Gugul, 2 BD, 2 morning and 2 evening. Gandhaka Rasayana tablet, 2 morning and 2 evening. Daily sits bath and change of Kshara Sutra after 7 or 10 to 15 days. Kshara Sutra in fistula, can you see over it, Kshara Sutra, and this is applied over here, Kshara Sutra. Okay. This particular Kshara Sutra treatment can also be used with different types of warts. Warts at the rectal region, warts on the neck, and warts on the genital. So you can tie that particular Kshara Sutra and that warts will drop down. Advantages of Kshara Sutra: can perform under LA. So no general anesthesia if it is low level and patient is cooperative. Huge wound can be avoided. No huge wound. No dressing, no pain. Short stay in hospital compared to the fistulectomy, only 1 or 2 days. Very economical, very cheap than normal operation. Can attend normal duties from the 3rd or 4th day and also use the vehicle. negligible type of recurrence is there. Then there is no fecal incontinence in high level fistula because cutting and healing of fistulous tract is simultaneous procedure. Okay, this is chemical cautery. This is surgery without knife. So less chance of getting fibers cutting of that particular sphincters. So this is all about Kshar Sutra treatment of Ayurveda, surgery without knife. Whatsoever I have mentioned over here, this is educational purpose only. No self-medication is never advocated by Professor Dr. Deshpande, that is myself. कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथा काल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. Okay, so my dear friends, if any viewer is complaining of constipation, suffering from constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, anal fissure, severe pain in fissure, piles problem, fistula in ano problem, immediately you can approach to me at Ayurveda Academy. We have the expert teachers and the doctors and the surgeons and the gynecologists and the pediatricians. So we do online paid consultation. We also, if necessary, we admit the patient, but after most of the times in corona pandemic, we try to avoid these admissions. But anybody is interested to take paid services, they can definitely approach or WhatsApp me on 922-6810-630. Thank you very much for your nice all the time cooperation. So share this video, like this video, give your encouraging feedback. And I request all of you and your friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel to boost up my energy for doing this type of services as a, what you can say, the educational purpose. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye. I wish you all the best.